Yeah. See, I would like to appreciate Zenith and Goodin for one good thing, after doing one of the session where they have learned to say thanks to the people around you. And सबसे पहले what they thought that जो उनका सबसे ज़्यादा ख्याल रखती है वो है उनकी दादी. Because parents तो सुबह और शाम के parents होते हैं, but दादी is always with them the whole day. So I think she shared in the class with Gulleen that हमारी जो दादी हैं वो हमको बहुत प्यार करती हैं, but हमने कभी उनको thanks बोला नहीं. तो गुल्ली ने कहा ओके गो एंड से थैंक्स टू हर. दे केम सेड थैंक्स टू हर, बट दादी को अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज दादी के लिए उनको समझ ही नहीं आया कि थैंक्स क्या होता है, या उन्होंने कहा ठीक है थैंक्स का, उन्होंने प्यार किया और भेज दिया. तो दैट वाज नॉट अ फुली एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ निहारिका. शी वेंट अगेन, कॉल्ड अप गुलीन एंड सेड गुलीन मैम मैंने दादी को थैंक्स बोला, उन्होंने उसका कुछ रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं दिया. ठीक है ओके देन यू राइट अ लेटर टू हर. एंड बिलीव मी शी रोट अ वंडरफुल लेटर, beautiful letter ever. Matlab, I am dying for such letter for me one day. She wrote it for her dadi and read it to her, and dadi got very happy. बहुत खुश हुई दादी भी और उनकी पोती भी बहुत खुश हुई उस लेटर से. एंड आई थिंक दैट क्रिएटेड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम. चाहे उसके बाद एक लाइन और बड़ी मजेदार हुई कि दादी ने उसके बाद बहुत सारी गलतियां भी निकाली उस लेटर में कि ये मिस्टेक्स तुमने की है मम्मी. बड़ा अच्छा लगा था जब निहारिका ने आपको लेटर लिखा था. हाँ बताओ को कैसा लगा था, आप बताओ. याद है वो लेटर लिखा था निहारिका ने?
नहीं दादी आप बहुत अच्छे हो. हमें डांट के प्यार करते हो. मम्मी घर नहीं होती, आप हमें देखते रहते हो. आप कितना हमें ध्यान रखते हो.
Yeah, so that was one of the like I make a difference का जो पहली बार मैंने वो एक कहते हैं ना मैजिक होते देखा. That was between a दादी and a grandchildren. That was wonderful. One of the thing which I really appreciate for that.
बहुत प्यार करते हैं.
Yeah.
और कुछ खास चीज आपने एक्सपीरियंस करी हो पिछले 5-6 महीनों के अंदर में अभिषेक और निहारिका में?
मम्मी आपने निहारिका अभिषेक में 5-6 महीने में कुछ ऐसा देखा जो आप पहले? हाँ
क्या निहारिका बहुत समझदार हो.
बहुत अच्छी. She can't express it, but she knows that they are really becoming a good children.
Very balanced.
Very balanced.
Both of them have become balanced in the year.
She sees it.
Yeah, she sees that. She said that Niharika has become much more samajhdar than ever before.
Niharika will not go to sleep.
And in fact, trust me, even Abhishek is getting balanced. This is one of the biggest achievement. He's getting more balanced about himself.
So Niharika will kiss her good night before like leaving.
मैं तो निहारिका को समझाती रहती हूँ, मम्मा घर नहीं है, खाना ठीक से खाओ. डांटती हूँ, कभी कहती है आप डांटते हो, फिर कहती नहीं अच्छा आप हमारा बहुत ध्यान रखते.
Because they know, अच्छा listening beyond the words जो होता है ना वो उनको अब समझ आ गया कि दादी जो डांट रही है, 1 मिनट के लिए रिएक्शन होता था कि she is scolding me, but now they have understood that dadi is caring about them. That is why she is asking them to eat food on time and whatever. So listening beyond the words is
listening beyond words.
Yeah, beyond words is really happening. Yeah, it's been a wonderful journey with this full 1 year. My children are being part of this Zenith team, and I think with each passing day, I'm seeing my children growing. With their ideas, with their confidence, with their attitude towards things. It's completely much better than what it used to be a year back, and I'm seeing the fearless growing children in front of me.
So according to you, it was a wonderful experience.
It is excellent, tremendous.
So what are the things that you noticed in Niharika and Abhishek? They are reaching heights, much more heights.
Yeah.
So what are the things?
See, it's a long list of things which I'm seeing in past 1 year. To start with, they have started, first thing is they become very familiar with the strangers. Earlier they had a big problem of talking to strangers. जैसे ही कोई नया person देखा, they used to be quiet or they used to hide behind me or something like that. And they had a huge stage fear also, which is being broken. The first thing they have broken is their stage fear, and then talking to strangers. I would like to share one thing very nice with you. Recently Niharika had her birthday, and we make them play some game. We took them to one of the mall and said, okay, you go and talk to strangers, make them friends. And what they had to do, we gave them 5 things to do in that whole thing. One was that you pick up a boy, get a photo click with him, some boy, and you have to tell him that this is what is one of the part of the game. Second thing is they had to go to the restaurants, wear that restaurant guy's cap, and have to serve people over there.
And
this is and get a photo click like that. Such kind of 5 things where they have to talk, interact with the strangers, and believe me, how beautifully they did it. So that is one of the things. Otherwise, earlier, before that, if I used to tell them, okay, go and talk to anyone, even saying hi was a big problem. Even talking to the people of our family, her cousins, her own friends, they had some kind of, restrictions towards talking to strangers. That is completely out. One of the biggest thing. And of course, the confidence level has gone notches up. What we were just sharing, that in terms of courage, yes, there is a lot of difference in Niharika. So I'll just share one of the incidents which I've seen recently. Was that in one of her subject, she got less marks, like 2 marks were cut by her teacher. And she said that, Mom, then she went to her teacher and said, Ma'am, I've got less marks in this. She wrote a letter, and give that letter to her, the headmistress. And such, taking the conversation to that level was one good thing, which was earlier a big thing. Otherwise, Niharika was not this kind. Whatever she's got, she said, okay, fine. So that courage, and she got that 2 marks. The teacher understood her point. She saw her copy. She saw everybody's copy, and then I think 3-4 children more came into this. That, ma'am, yes, this was the actual thing. So once, she took a courage to brought the matter into the light, and then she got the reward of it. And I was like, it's something really good. A year back, Niharika was never able to do that, such things. She wanted to do, but she never did it.
Very true.
So one of the good thing I would say.
And Zenith, I would say that maybe a year back, when we were starting, a year and a half back, when we were starting with Zenith, we were just taking it as a normal forum for children, and one of the courses for children. Like maybe it's a small affair in her life, a very small, I would say, a stage act kind of a thing just for her in her life. But what we are seeing now, that the perception towards life has transformed. We can see that transformation coming. Not talking very big, I would say that she is changing on a day-to-day basis. Every day they are growing more mature, they are growing much more balanced, and for them to put things straight is what we at this age also are not capable of. Like she was sharing the experience with the teacher, one of the teachers. Going against your class teacher in a school in the class 7th standard is not anybody's cup of tea.
It's not everybody's.
It's not anybody's cup of tea, but she took that courage without voicing in a very strong manner. She was very polite. She was very, in the right manner. She went to the headmistress, gave the letter, and the best part is that she got those marks in the credible manner, and she's still maintaining that relationship with the class teacher.
Yeah.
That was appreciable. We take her to the markets, and that was one point where we could really feel the change. Though we are feeling it every day, every minute, but that was one major point. Other than that, in the daily course, meeting her cousins was never the way that it is today. It was like Niharika and Abhishek used to be hidden behind us almost all of the times, and we both are outspoken in many manners, or extrovert. I don't say outspoken, but extrovert enough. And people used to compare us that they don't look like your children. Why are they so docile? But now Niharika is comfortable talking to any stranger.
Yeah.
She can talk, and she is not overconfident. She is the normal, balanced confidence that of what a child should be. She takes care of her room, her belongings.
Yeah, become very responsive.
She's become responsible on her own for many things, I would say. Many things. I remember her relationship with her Dadi. Dadi used to call her while she was climbing the stairs in the night to going to her bedroom. Dadi used to tell her, good night beta, milke jaya karo. But now she never forgets to kiss her on the forehead. And many times before leaving, she does ask Dadi, Dadi, aapko headache to nahi ho raha? My mother has a chronic headache.
Yeah.
So Dadi, aapko headache to nahi ho raha? And she presses her head for some time, and she goes. That is too much to be asked for from us also today, and she does it on her own. No asking, no pressure. So she's become an amazing, I would say, character of her own.
Yeah.
And recently she wrote a letter to your forum, and we were just reading the letter, and we had some kind of tears in our eyes. The way she had written that my little voice in the brain now controls me rather than anything else. I can control that voice, and that easily I can manage that voice today.
Yeah.
I don't get afraid of meeting people, greeting people. So every minute we see what we had, when we had come to your Zenith Forum for the first time, we also were willing to have the brush and the paste along with us, and I think you people have given us that today.
Yes.
We're very proud of you. Thank you, Zenithians. Thank you.